Hey guys, so I wanted to give a shout out to Cindy for sending me some coin through Venmo. I just want to say thank you so much for just watching my channel and supporting my channel. I'm glad that I can help in any way of your apartment search. So thank you so much, Cindy. Also, you guys, I did want to say that I lost all the footage of my top 5 apartments for May. And that's why I have been so stressed out. I lost all that footage, so please just be patient with me. I have to redo it again. I have to record it all again, but I would definitely put that video out this week. I am putting out as much videos as I can this week, you guys, so thank you so much for just being patient with me, and I hope you like this video that I did. I hope it helps someone out. Again, you guys, my videos is just purely to help you guys narrow down your apartment search for Vegas. So enjoy the video. Hey guys, so I'm here at the Logan at Charleston. This is a gated community. As I can see, they don't have any elevators. They only have 2 levels, so one at the floor and then the second level, so no elevators. But let's go check out. Let's hope that they don't have any fees. This is a little bit further down near Charleston, so let's go have a look. Okay guys, this is the lobby, coffee station, and community lounge. They also do have printers here. This is a nice space where you can come and do your work if you do not want to be in your apartment. You also have a Starbucks coffee machine, which I thought was pretty cool. This is the pool area and the barbecue area, you guys, and I'm also showing like how it looks while we were walking to the model unit. This was built in 1998, so it is a very old apartment building. Okay, you guys, so you have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom at $16.15 with cable and deposit waiver. Those 3 application fees that you see right there, you guys, that's all you need to apply to these apartments. Now, this is the dining table, and then this is the kitchen. Now, this is an older kitchen. As you can see, they have the white appliances. You do have the laundry next to the kitchen, so I thought that was really convenient. This apartment building, you guys, was built in 1998, so it is an older build. Now, this is the main room with ensuite. You can definitely fit in a king-size bed if you wanted to, and then you do have a spacious closet. This is your bathroom, your walk-in bathroom. It is very nice, nothing like brand new or anything, but it is very nice. This will be your second bedroom. I feel like I would put this as my main bedroom just because it looks a little bit more open. But you do have a closet. The only thing is that you would have to walk to your guest bathroom. But yes, that would be it only. Now I'm just going to walk through the whole apartment just to show you how it looks. I'm also going to show you the balcony as well, because they do have a balcony on the lower floor and the top floor. They only have 2 levels, so 1 level and then second level is upstairs. They do not have elevators, you guys, so I just wanted to point that out. It is a gated community, but yes, I'm just walking around the apartment just to show you guys. And this is the gym. It's not like the very best gym, but you have a Peloton and a few weights and stuff. Okay guys, so that was the Logan at Charleston apartment. Now this, I would say, is on the low end of Spring Valley. It's closer to like downtown. You are going to get, unfortunately, some of the downtown crowd, like the homeless people. I did see a homeless person come in with with a shopping cart, but the manager called straight away to handle that. So now the 1 bedroom 1 bathroom, that right now is going for $1,260 with cable and deposit waiver. Then you have the 2 bedroom 2 bathroom, and it's going for $1,615, and that is with cable and deposit waiver. So it's going to be $65 per person over the age of 18, and that is an application fee. Then you have a $150 cleaning fee and $250 admin fee. So that is all you have to pay to move in. There's no fees or anything like that. You guys, the property is okay. It's not bad. It's not new construction. Obviously, it's old construction. They only have 2 levels, no elevators. It is a gated community, and you have to have a fob key to enter. So yeah, it's not bad. I didn't see anything out of the ordinary except the homeless guy walking into the apartments, but the manager, she quickly called and got that settled. So that is the only thing I saw. Now, let's see how far everything is at from these apartments. Okay, guys, so Walmart Neighborhood Market is 5 minutes away from these apartments. Target is going to be 6 minutes away. Costco is going to be 12 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 8 minutes away. Okay, you have Albertsons. It's going to be 11-minute walk or a 4-minute drive. So it's very close by. Trader Joe is going to be 6 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 5 minutes away. Winco is going to be 7 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 9 minutes away. Petco is going to be 7 minutes away. PetSmart is going to be 9 minutes away. If you don't have a car and rely on public transportation, there is a couple of buses close by, and it's only like a 5-minute walk. IKEA is 20 minutes away. The airport is going to be 27 minutes away. The Strip, which is, I always choose Paris Hotel, but like the Strip is going to be about 19 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 14 minutes away. So I got a request to do casinos, and I'm guessing like any casinos, so that's what I'm doing. So you do have a few of like casinos close by to these apartments. Okay, you guys, so that was it. That was the Logan at Charleston apartments. I would say this is more of like a little bit of a more affordable apartment because they don't have all those fees. We have the application fee, which is $65, the cleaning fee, which is $150, and the admin fee, which is $250. So that is it. This is how it looks. That is what you would get when you come and tour these places. They do have a 1, 2, and 3 bedroom. She only could show me the 2-bedroom model unit. She didn't have a 1-bedroom or 3-bedroom available. With these apartments, you guys, you do have to make 3 times the rent. Alright guys, so that is it. If you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to push notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And subscribe to my channel, you guys. I am on my way to 8,000. I have hit 7,900 subscribers. Holy cannoli. We're getting there. Alright guys, I will see you in my next apartment tour. Bye guys.